Hi guys, I'm going to shake melon flavor.
Lemon and honey.
Lemon honey. Only 3 pieces. I just I always drop what I take. Let me go get more water. No. Okay, now do Katie. I do it just a little bit. Spilled. Just move a little. Mom is holding the camera. Slowly just there. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Go there. Hey. This is the last choices. Oh, let's talk again. I eat. No, this is the next one. Wait, I'm going to count one. 1, 2, 3. I just do it for that. This my one is first.